mind one of those lights in the living room on the wall.
Really?
I think they're a bit big.
In your living room?
Yeah. Nice Triumph sign. Oh, we're going to get back before it rains.
Bloody weather. Being filmed.
Well, it was really nice meeting Richard there from the Younger Oldie channel. He's a lovely guy.
A good chap.
If you've not heard of Younger Oldie, look him up on YouTube. And thank you for the drinks. So what's it like being back on your bike
Oh, it's
so
lovely,
long?
isn't it? Yeah. It is lovely to be back out on it.
Thermometer on my bike saying 11, so you're in your temperature range.
Yeah, just warm enough.
I think it's your first ride since Boxing Day, isn't it?
So it's first ride in the UK since Boxing Day. Yeah, we have obviously had the couple of days riding in Tenerife in January, didn't we? Which was lovely.
Which was very nice.
So yeah.
You still prefer your street trip, although, don't you, to compare to that Monster?
Oh, yes, the Monster's good mind. I mean, it was a nice bike, but yes, you always prefer your own, don't you? Really, let's face it.
Yeah.
You're quite attached to your own bike. There's a few things going on this year, isn't there? I think the next thing that we might attend is the Superbike factory on the 6th of April. I think they're having a bit of a do, like a Bennett's Bike Social, I think it is.
Yeah, but I don't think you've got to be a member of Bennett's Bike Social to go up there.
No.
And Donington's only like 15 minutes away from us, so we might go up and have a nose. So if you are around on that day, you know, welcome to come up, and we'll be around hopefully from 9 o'clock if it's not raining. So that's at the Superbike factory. Then what we got going?
Then I think the next event we'll probably go to is the Stafford Classic Bike Show. We usually go there most years. It's an amazing event, really. The amount of quality bikes that they have on show at that event.
Yeah, it is a great event, and hopefully we'll make some sort of a film. We may not make a huge, great long one like we did last time. We might just bring you a highlights. But we're looking forward to just having a wander around.
Yeah.
I mean, we're hoping to meet a channel called TheWurks, and he shows his bike at Stafford Classic. I think
we spotted him a year or so ago, didn't we, when he was showing his CCM bike there, and we followed his channel ever since then. But then since then he's become quite big.
Then I suddenly heard that he was taking on Freddie Dobbs, his old Bonneville, and
he's actually fixing it for him.
Yeah, I don't know if you all watch Freddie Dobbs. I mean, he's grown. I think it's over 100,000 subs he's got now.
It's a big channel, yeah.
Yeah, he's you know, it's more of a travel vlog, lifestyle vlog type channel, but we watch it because he does a lot of travelling that we're interested in. But he's basically knackered up his Bonneville, and Joe from the Works channel has agreed to have a look at it for him, and this having a look has turned into a complete rebuild, hasn't it?
Yeah, it's a major undertaking, but he's a skilled guy, and quite an interesting, the depth that he's gone into to fix this bike.
It's been fascinating watching him, and it turns out that Joe only lives down the road from us, so we're hoping to get to the unveiling of that if he lets the general public there, and when he gives it back to Freddie. So I don't know when that's going to be, because Freddie Dobbs is out in India at the moment with his channel. So,
but if not, then we'll hope to see him at the Stafford Classic Bike Show.
Yeah.
And if you are at the Stafford Classic Bike Show, then, and if you do spot us there, come and say hello. We usually got a few stickers with us, so we'll give you a sticker if you come and say hello. So it's always nice to have a chat with people. After Stafford Classic, we intend to go down to Cornwall and meet Saddlebags for his Saddlebags social ride. Yeah. So we did this last year and had a wonderful time. Met some fabulous people.
Yeah, and Sorry.
So go on. Nope.
No, I was going to say, just going to say, if you don't know who Saddlebags is, Saddlebags 73 is another YouTube channel, and he's got a V-Strom 650, he's got a classic Royal Enfield 500. What else has he got?
He's got the Himalayan.
He's got a Himalayan as well, hasn't he?
Yeah,
So,
he likes his Royal Enfields.
yeah, and he's also got another YouTube walking channel as well. Lovely guy, and we're hoping to meet him on his ride out channel.
Yeah.
And if you are thinking of joining us down there, I'll put the dates up on the screen now. It's happening. But
Yeah,
if you are
I think it's
sorry.
the 26th of May that's going to be, which is actually the bank holiday weekend, but it's the Sunday of that bank holiday weekend.
Yeah. And if you are thinking of going down there, have a look on Saddlebags' own channel, and I think he might have a Facebook page where you can like register
Join
an
the
interest
group,
in.
yeah, so that he knows who's going. Yes. After that, we're in June, and in June we've got our Pyrenees tour, which we've been planning, and
Well, this is the big tour, isn't it?
special
Well, it's not.
tour for us because it involves moving on each night. Now, we've never done a tour like that. We've always kind of just got a base and done our ride outs from the base, but this time we're actually moving on each night to a different hotel, straddling the Spanish and French borders across the Pyrenees, all in a week, so it's going to be a bit full on for us.
There's no van, and there's no
no cheating.
Aeroplanes involved in this.
No, we've got a ferry.
We ride from our house down to Portsmouth, and then we get the 2-nighter ferry over to Santander, and then from Santander we go from place to place on the Spanish-French border, and I'm so looking forward to it.
I am looking forward to it, yeah.
Lovely paradors, and it's
no expense spared on this one. We've gone full on. We've even got a club cabin on the ferry going out, so we've even got like Commodore Lounge.
Is that free food all the way?
Well, I believe there is food available in there, yeah.
2 days of free food?
Yeah, it could be a disaster, couldn't it?
And I'll get my jacket on when we get there. I think everybody knows now it's a big 6-0, and nothing I can do about it, getting into my 60s, but
might as well enjoy it.
May as well enjoy it, yeah.
So that's then, and then after that, I think towards the end of June, I think the 23rd of June, it's Prescott Bike Fest, which is an event that we always go to. Absolutely love it. It's such a lovely, relaxed day where you do the hill climbs, and it's just a really nice bike meet.
And if you want to take your bike up the Prescott Hill, I think you can still register your bike.
Yeah, there's still spaces available.
It looks amazing. I'm too chicken to ride my bike up Prescott Hill.
I don't like riding when other people are watching me, so I think I'd rather not.
Yeah.
But,
we have other plans coming through, but nothing that we want to disclose as yet. But it's quite an exciting time, and it's one of the reasons really that I've decided to sell the XSR. The funds are going to help fund some of the
things we want to do.
Some of the bigger trips we want to do, and I just think you've got to do it where you can do it. I think
definitely.
You've got to get out there and do it. Are we going to get a bit of pace on and get back home?
Yeah, I suppose we ought to attempt to overtake these cars.
Yeah, I think so. Right, I think time to turn the cameras off now. Thanks a lot anyway, and if you can make any of those events that we talked about earlier, it'd be great to see you all in person. So thanks a lot for watching, and catch you on the next one.
Bye.
Bye bye.